time to check out. But before heading out, mag-meet muna kami ni Lai. Finally, after almost a year of not seeing each other, we will meet at BGC. So, let's go. That's the reason why I went here, actually. Para mag-meet. Para mag-bonding kay Lai.
Guys, we're here at Din Tai Fung kasi this is our cravings. Thanks, Mom! Thanks, Mom! Mga lokal tayo dito, mga lokal. Winter! siya nang ginaanan niya, ina-twist niya ang mga English words. Pero lagyan mo na ano? Garlic. Sarap. It's yummy. Perfect. Buksan mo na, buksan mo na, buksan mo na. How wow. Wala na. It's not hot naman kasi. Ayun. Oh my gosh, it's cozy. Uy. Uy. Hala. You taste it. Hala. Ganda lang ako siya muna. QR code naman. Kahit ulan, grabe. Kahit ulan, grabe to siya. Grabe, grabe.